Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg noodles with sardines. This guide will help you create a surprisingly flavorful and quick meal, perfect for any day of the week. We will combine tender egg noodles with savory sardines, fresh herbs, and a hint of spice. Get ready to transform a few pantry staples into a truly delightful and satisfying dish in under 20 minutes. It is a fantastic way to enjoy a nutritious and easy dinner. First, let's get those egg noodles perfectly cooked. You will need a large pot of generously salted water brought to a vigorous boil. Add approximately 8 ounces of your favorite egg noodles and cook them until they are al dente, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, drain them well, but remember to save about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. It will be crucial for our sauce later. Now for the star of our dish, the sardine sauce. In a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, which takes about 1 minute. Then, gently add 1 can of sardines, flaking them with a fork. Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes for a little kick, and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your perfectly cooked and drained egg noodles directly into the pan with the sardine mixture. Toss everything gently to ensure the noodles are well coated with the flavorful sauce. If the sauce seems a bit dry, add a tablespoon or 2 of that reserved pasta water to create a silky consistency. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a final drizzle of good quality extra virgin olive oil before serving immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.